Hello everyone, it's Karen Nelson, aka the Designer in Jeans, and today we are going to show you some footage of the before and then the after of our laundry room transformation here at our home. This was huge for us. My husband and I actually designed and my husband built it. When we first started the project, which you'll see, we had a side-by-side washer and dryer, but during this entire process, our washer went out. So we decided we would just go ahead and purchase a stackable to give us more space in there, and it worked out amazingly. The other very cool fact is we have an Ikea wardrobe system in there. This is now our additional storage because we did not have any storage when we started. So it's kind of a cool Ikea hack as well. And we could not love the space more. It turned out amazing. So it went from an old garage laundry room into one of the prettiest places to kind of enter our home. So I'm very excited to show it with you. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so to give you orientation of where my laundry room is, I'm actually in my kitchen now, and we are walking through here, and we can actually see into the laundry room. And then that right there is the door to the apartment that my husband built. This is the door we just came out of. We've got the water heater here. Of course, we just have our washer and dryer here. As you can see, we have nowhere to put like the broom unless I do that inside the house. And then we just have a couple cabinets above here. This side, to give you like a really raw view of what we're working with, the trim is not around the doors or anything like that. It's sealed up, but nothing around the doors yet. And this is our concrete. So here is the same entrance we took last time. We switched out the door to the all glass door, which used to be on the outside. And now you're looking into our laundry room. So we have the shelving above here. We have, that was for, we built that for our cat to put the cat food since we have a dog as well. And then we have our deep freeze. And that again is my daughter's apartment. We changed the door color. And then we have, I love this bird. I got him at Walmart. He's just so fun. And then I got the little mailbox. And then here is the wallpaper wall. Our new flooring. Just bought a rug, a tan rug. And here's the door that used to be on our kitchen, is now on the outside. And then here's the Ikea doors for the Ikea unit. And then our new washer and dryer. So these, not only do they look beautiful, but they store everything. Store everything that we need. So, you know, all the extras, all the shoes. This kind of operates as a mud room now as well, when before we didn't have any storage for that. And then you have our full-size stackable LG washer and dryer that's now built in. And what's really, really cool is my husband. So this is about the depth of the Ikea unit. He just kind of built it in, but it's just slid in there. And then he added another door here. And if you can remember, this is where the water heater used to be, but he added a door here for more storage, like for our salt unit, for the fresh water, and then also for, you know, just plugging in all the battery stuff you need and being able to hide my stuff. And then if you see here, all the knobs, these shelves and this completely open up, so my husband can get in there and work on the water system if he needs to, or the water heater. But we don't have to look at it, but it is all accessible. So again, here is the after. I could not be more excited about this space. It gets more use than I think anywhere else in the house. We pretty much use this door to come in and out as well. So what did y'all think? I think it is such a beautiful space. The transformation was incredible. We were able to do this. I think it took us about a month because we have full-time jobs, and then to come home in the evenings and do it. So we absolutely love this space. It is a pass-through. It's the way my daughter gets into her apartment as well as, of course, laundry. It is now a mud room. We have so much extra storage in there for our cleaning supplies. So this was one of my favorite remodels or redesigns that we've ever done in any of our spaces. So I am so excited to be able to share this with you. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to ask. We did do all the work ourselves, so we do have, any information you need on that. The Ikea hack is probably one of my favorites for all the extra storage. Of course, as well as the new washer and dryer, the stackables are incredible. So if you like what you saw and you'd like to continue watching me, please like and subscribe and share this with your friends. We're trying to build a channel here, and we'll bringing you more content like this, as well as, anything you guys want to know, just let me know. I can do some sit down talks on design, or of course, just lifestyle blogs. All right, thanks again.